Welcome to Movie Stories, where we recap popular movies. Today's stories is based on a movie called A Quiet Place. Sit down and let us begin. In a post-apocalyptic world, a family is forced to live in silence while hiding from monsters with ultra-sensitive hearing. In a devastated Earth overrun by invincible predators of a possible extraterrestrial origin, the Abbotts find themselves struggling to survive in the isolation of upstate New York, defined by a new era of utter silence. Indeed, as this new type of invader is attracted to noise, even the slightest of sounds can be deadly. However, it's been already 12 months since the powerful monster's first sightings, and this resilient family still stands strong. Of course, learning the rules of survival in this muted dystopia is essential. Nevertheless, now, of all times, an otherwise joyous event puts in jeopardy the already fragile stability. And now, more than ever, the Abbotts must not make a sound. The story of the young Abbott family is told starting on day 89 of their ordeal. Unaware if anyone else on Earth is still alive besides them, they have to remain as silent as possible under most circumstances, which means no speaking, to evade deadly and seemingly indestructible armored creatures which track their target solely by sound and which have led to the Abbotts' solitary existence. This existence is made all the more difficult for eldest offspring Regan in being deaf and thus unable to gauge the issue